Are you in search of mutual funds that have shown impressive returns in the last 6 months? Look no further, as we have curated a list of top-performing funds that have delivered returns of around 28% or more. Here are some noteworthy options. For investors seeking high returns in a short period, Banten Small Cap Fund 35, 13% return 2. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund 34, 45% return 3. LCMF Small Cap Fund 32, 0.4% return 4. But Motilal Oswal Small Cap Fund 31, 0.6% return 5. JM Flexi Cap Fund 30, 69% return 6. Motilal Oswal LSS Tax Saver Fund 30, 49% return 7. Tata Small Cap Fund 3D, 44% return. The stellar performance of these funds makes them an attractive option for investors looking to maximize their returns. If you are considering investing in any of these funds, it's essential to do your research and consult with a financial advisor. On the other hand, if you have other investment plans in mind, make sure to weigh the potential risks and rewards before making a decision. Remember, past performance is not always indicative of future results, and investments come with inherent risks. It's crucial to carefully assess your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon before making any investment decisions. Whether you choose to invest in the funds mentioned above or explore other options, a well-thought-out investment strategy is key to achieving your financial objectives.